Romania is probably one of those countries where a road trip is the best way to explore. Many castles and beautiful places are located on the outskirts of big cities, and they are well worth visiting, sometimes even more than the cities themselves. Our first rather spontaneous stop was at Peleș Castle. Interestingly, it was one of the first castles in Europe to be fully electrified. There is a beautiful castle over there. It was a spontaneous stop because this place, Sinai, I think. There are like a lot of beautiful castles apparently, but we're going to the Wednesday one, where the series was shot, at least the outdoor scenes. Unfortunately, we didn't have much time to spend there because another adventure was waiting for us. That's the place. We finally reached the place that we were driving for. It's the filming location of the Nevermore Academy for the Wednesday series, and I was really excited about it. You'll see like the huge banner when you'll be approaching this place. What bothers me a little is that it says like if you film outside and inside you have to pay, but it looks like they want to charge you for professional use, like for professional camera use. So we'll see if we get some problems for filming a vlog. Hope not. But there are also like a lot of different zones to take pictures if you want to, you know, pose like Wednesday. And of course the beautiful view, we got the beautiful view of the mountains over there, which is really nice. Cantacuzino Castle in Bușteni, Romania was used as the exterior of Nevermore Academy in season 1 of Wednesday. For the show, the production team used special effects to alter parts of the castle's roof and surroundings to better resemble the gloomy gothic look of Nevermore Academy. The exterior shots of the school grounds and facade were filmed at Cantacuzino Castle, but many interiors of the Nevermore Academy, like hallways and offices, were shot at other historic locations such as Casa Monteoru in Bucharest and botanical locations for greenhouse scenes.
in contact with bronze has such little friction, the result will be the following. Just listen a bit closely.
Interestingly, the castle was designed to frame the mountains, so the nature scenery feels part of the castle experience. Interior decorations include painted leather walls, frescoes, and ornate woodwork. You can visit it as part of the tour, not alone, and the tours are held in Romanian and English. The castle belonged to Prince George Grigore Cantacuzino, one of the richest and most influential politicians of that time. There is a so-called secret room. Basically, it's an exhibit, not a hidden filming spot or something. So, Wednesday Castle, it's going to be not so Wednesday. They actually don't have almost anything related inside. There is like one room dedicated to Wednesday, but as far as I understood, these are not the original props. At least the window didn't seem real at all. So the castle itself is really beautiful and worth visiting. But if you're coming to see more like Wednesday related stuff, it's only outdoors, so I think you can just spare the inside tour because they filmed the scenes outdoors here on site and the scenes indoors were filmed elsewhere. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.